Turn off your parametric family's breaking the moment you change a dimension. In our last section, we unlock the golden rules of parametric design. Today, we will use the same model by following majority these foundation steps, so you will create an error-free model. Before we touch a single piece of geometry, revise these steps down. Always set your reference plans before starting geometry. Add dimensions and assign the parameters to establish the control. Flex your framework before adding geometry. Lastly, lock your geometry with reference plans as I mentioned in the end of the previous video. Let's transform the basic shape into dynamic production and develop a family design without wasting the time. Let's start. Okay, just click on family types. Now adjust the sizes. The height should be 1.5 inches and length like 4 feet and width like 2 feet. Apply and you can see automatically adjust the sizes. Now we use the reference level and here we can use a small distance of small distance from the sides from the edge. So here we will use the reference plan again, use RP and take a small offset, small distance from the side like 1 inch. So take dimension DI and just click on the reference plan and then adjust the sizes. Just lock it. Now again press DI and adjust the size again for 1 inches and lock the dimensions. Again we will use the reference plan inside. One more reference plan here inside. Plus DI dimensions and adjust the value of the reference plan. 1 inches here again and lock it. DI and take this dimension again. Just click on reference plan and 1 inches, 1 inch here. Just lock it. So now we have all sides a little distance from the edges and now we will add more reference plans to create the actual shape. So press RP take here again, one more here and one more here. So again take the dimensions, make it 2 inches and lock the dimensions. Again take the dimension here, just make it 2 inches and lock it here. Revise it, take the dimensions, just click on the reference plan, then take the dimensions and lock the dimensions. One more, take this dimension, make sure it's correct. Okay, it's fine and lock it. Now we have a shape that we need to use. Just click on create and use extrusion. Now we'll use rectangle and click on these locks and lock the sketch. Again lock this If you don't log, you can face an error anytime, especially when you will drag it and something like that. So don't forget to log all the time. We will make sure if there is missing. I think here we missed. So we will use align and make sure it's unlocked, lock now, and yes, now all have locked. It's fine. Okay. We will click on finish edit mode and check the shape. So we will move these on the downside. So we will use here extrusion in minus and like 3 feet. Okay, press apply, and this is the table we have created. It's a parametric. You can change the sizes anytime and it will work perfect without any error. Using family types and change its sizes here, like height, length is 6 feet and width 4 feet. Apply OK, and you can see that every leg is on its shape. The legs are on the same place as we set, as we adjust it. And once again here we will change the size, like it make it 8 feet and 5 feet, and see. But can we change leg sizes? No, because we don't use a parameter for its leg size. So we will create in the next session and make it different shapes from the current model. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.